There's two critical problems that are facing the food industry, and in particular the brewers at the moment, and that's the cost of energy and the cost of disposing of their wastewater. So what we're doing is developing a new type of anaerobic digester that is 10 times faster and smaller than a traditional digester. So here at Future Greens, we've been developing our prototype in the lab, and now alongside FerretWorks, we've been able to scale that up by 100 times to something that will be able to be actually deployed on site with the brewery, which is really, really exciting for us. Our big aim is to get a viable product to market, and then after that, we really want to expand to other areas of the food sector. Yes, we've had an amazing journey here at Future Greens. We have a really varied team, which is fantastic for solving all of these problems that inevitably come up when you're a startup in this industry. FerretWorks, I think, is genuinely amazing because it gives startups like us access to really experienced engineers. Like, we started straight out of university, so we had some good foundations, but there's so many things you pick up on the job. So access to engineers like this is amazing.